A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal ruling, a federal judge in Rhode Island has blocked the Department of Health and Human Services (HHS) from moving forward with mass layoffs and a controversial reorganization plan proposed by the Trump administration. The ruling comes in response to a lawsuit filed by 19 Democratic attorneys general in Washington, D.C., which argued that the proposed changes would have devastating effects on public health services nationwide. Judge Melissa Dubose stated in her opinion that the administration's plans lacked a rational basis and could lead to severe disruptions in critical health services. The restructuring plan, announced by HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. in March, aimed to lay off approximately 10,000 employees and reorganize several sub-agencies, including the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). In the Food and Drug Administration (FDA), the judge highlighted the potential for irreversible damage to public health, citing concerns over interrupted services, chaos in grant statuses, and the elimination of vital technical assistance and consultation services. Dubose emphasized that the HHS had not provided sufficient evidence to assure that essential services would remain uninterrupted during the reorganization. The ruling comes at a time when the Supreme Court is reviewing its stance on universal injunctions, which may affect the scope of the judge's order. The states involved in the lawsuit expressed their alarm over the potential impact on public health systems, with New York Attorney General James describing HHS as the backbone of the nation's health and social safety net. Meanwhile, the Trump administration's attempts to implement layoffs have already faced setbacks, with a federal court in California previously blocking similar efforts. HHS officials have indicated that planning for the reorganization continues, despite the legal challenges, and some layoffs have already been reversed. However, further layoffs may still be demanded to balance the restored positions. The ongoing legal battles and administrative changes at HHS raise critical questions about the future of public health services in the United States, as the nation grapples with the implications of these sweeping policy shifts. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.